Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Honeywell thermostats, that annoying blinking red light. If you're dealing with this on your 2025 model, don't worry, we've got you covered with simple, step-by-step solutions. Let's get started. First off, a blinking red light on your Honeywell thermostat usually signals an error or alert. It could mean something as simple as low battery power or something more involved like a sensor malfunction or wiring problem. This feature is designed to help you catch issues early, so it's actually a good thing. Once you fix it, your system will run smoothly again. Step 1. Check the batteries. Many Honeywell models use AA or AAA batteries, and a low charge is one of the most frequent culprits. Open the thermostat cover, remove the old batteries, and replace them with fresh ones. Once done, wait a few seconds and see if the light stops blinking. If it does, great job, you've just saved yourself a headache. If the light persists, try resetting the thermostat. Hold down the reset button, usually located on the device, for about 5 seconds until it reboots. This can clear temporary glitches. Remember, always refer to your user manual for your specific model, as the 2025 version might have advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity that could be causing the issue. Next, inspect for any visible problems. Look at the wiring connections behind the thermostat. Loose wires or poor connections can trigger the red light. If you're not comfortable with this, it's best to call a professional electrician to avoid any risks. In some cases, the blinking light might indicate a more serious problem, like a faulty sensor or HVAC system error. For the 2025 models, check the app if it's a smart thermostat. It often displays error codes you can troubleshoot online. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the unit and updating firmware, can prevent this from happening in the future. There you have it. Quick fixes for your Honeywell thermostat's blinking red light. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.